Hey YouTube, it's Lewis with Rosebud's Travels, and today I'm going to show you how to install the bathroom shelf for Casita's 2013 Forward. So before I get into the actual installation, I want to show you one that is installed and kind of explain parts of it being installed. So the first thing is the shelf has an edge banding, so this has to go forward. The other thing is on the side there's a little block right here, and that block is pushed forward against the edge banding to hold the shelf up against the front, and there's one on each side, and they are exactly the same size. The other thing is, on the right hand side, there's a lip down here at the bottom. There's a lip, and the support has to sit on the lip on the right hand side. So one of the supports is shorter and the other one is longer. If you look at the other side, the support is long and goes all the way down. So the left side is a long support and the right one is slightly smaller, and this one's longer. So that's how it fits after it's put in. So now I'm going to show you how to put it in from start to finish. Okay, I'm going to try to show you how to put this in. I have unwrapped this shelf unit. It comes with these 4 blocks. This one is the right side, and you can see it has double-sided tape on it. It has double-sided tape on the top of each of these pieces. The long piece has double-sided tape here. The short pieces have the double-sided tape there and there, and then we have a shelf. So the way I suggest doing it is that you don't undo the double-sided tape yet. You stick the left side in, you stick the right side in, and you can let it sit on the floor currently. And then when you do the shelf, what you have to do is you have to stick it in. I usually do the edge banding on the left, and it goes behind the sink and rotates around. And then you raise up this right side and put it in there like that. And what I usually do is just check and make sure that that looks like it's going to be a good fit. Like if it's sitting about level where you want it. So I set it in temporarily. Nothing stuck yet. You can, if you want, measure. I'm getting like 4 3/4 and just slightly less than 4 3/4. It's like about a 16th. So that would be good enough. So I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not going to cut anything off. If you want to cut the high side off a little bit, you can. Most of the time they come pretty close, like usually right on. This fiberglass band varies just a little. But yeah, this looks like it'll work out fine. So then after you do that, what you do is you reach in here and you get your piece, and it's got the double-sided tape. You want that on the top. So what you do is you take off the cover, you put it back on top of that ridge, and firmly stick it to the wall. Push it really good to that fiberglass wall. Okay? And you get the next one, left side. Peel off the tape, the cover of the tape. Raise the shelf out of your way. I know you can't see this, but what I'm doing is putting it on the floor and putting it on the left side, and I'm pushing it against the side of the cabinet firmly so it sits good. And you want to pull this toward the front of the cabinet. It's got a little bit of a gap at the back because it needs it to be able to get it in there, but it won't really matter because most of your stuff is going to be a little bit bigger stuff. So it's not really a problem having a gap at the back. Then what you do is you double-sided tape at the top again. You peel it off again, and then put this side and put it against this edge banding edge and pull it toward the front of the cabinet and scoot it over against the wall and stick it against the wall firmly. Push firmly. Take the other piece, peel the double-sided tape cover off, put it against the front edge of this edge banding again, go on the left hand side, you can't see it, I don't think, and then just push it toward the front, and then very securely push hard and put that block in place, and there you go. Shelf is secure. It's not going to bounce around. It's not going to move. It's in good place, and you're good to go. So the shelf is then installed. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next video.